campsite is absolutely beautiful as well. It's a really nice environment and it just feels really homely.
If you jump, Maharaj will catch you. So that's all you need to do. You just jump, and then because when you're coming back down, you're not in control of what's happening. Maharaj is in control because Maharaj is catching you. So this is like the net that Maharaj uses to catch you.
You can hear that voice is just like piercing through you, and it's like that's beautiful. And like sitting behind the Kirtanis today, it was beautiful. It was just the best thing.
There's nothing to lose and everything to gain, and I mean you can come to camp like being the worst person, or you can come to camp, you know, bringing that your worst enemy, and at the end of it, you guys will leave together as best friends, because that's what Sikhi is about, just the art of everyone.
Yesterday and today, it's been really kind of like mind-blowing, very emotional, something I didn't expect. So I wouldn't say I'm like an emotional person, but it kind of got to me, and I could feel like the sangat's vibes and the emotions from everyone, so that's been like really inspiring.
Absolutely amazing. I don't think I've experienced sangat like that in a long time, and just feel part of a family. It's been really good.
Doing my first matadek to Maharaj, because I'm just very grateful for that experience.
All we have to do is follow your teachings, each and every one. Your Bani is so beautiful and your path is so straight. Everything is in your hukam, so sometimes all we can do is wait.
It was different to other camps that I've been to, in the sense that everyone was working together. That's what it felt like. So from the speakers to the sevadaars and the people doing Maharaj's seva, to everyone working in the kitchen, we were all working as one team, and there was this continuous theme in the camp of acceptance, which I really enjoyed, because it made Sikhi very practical.
To the first camp last year, absolutely loved it. Couldn't wait to come back this year, and this year has been even better. It really has. It's just been, oh yeah, Maharaj Kripa growing, and hopefully, you know, next year even better again.